Alrighty, Joe, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done dynoing it. Everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our heads on it. It's got one of our custom ground hydraulic rollers, our custom pistons. Got the front sump oil pan on it for you. March blacked out serpentine kit. The SS Quick Fuel 750 MSD Pro billet. So we'll take you in there now and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3500s, 489 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, peak torque 514. Peak horsepower 496. So we rated 500. It's got a front end that's about 15, so everything's good. We'll get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.